St. Elizabeth School Anjar, Standard 7, Subject Maths, Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals. Today's our topic is multiplication of fractions. In this, we will learn multiplication of a fraction by whole number and multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Let's first take this topic, multiplication of a fraction by whole number. Let's take one example. 2 upon 7 multiply 5. Here 2 upon 7 it's a fraction, 5 it's a whole number. So you have to multiply fraction with the whole number. In that case, you have to multiply numerator with this whole number. So 2 multiply 5 divide 7. 2 5s are 10 divide 7. Let's take another example. 9 upon 7 multiply 6. Here 9 upon 7 is a fraction, 6 it's a whole number. Multiply numerator with the whole number. 9 multiply 6 upon 7. 9 6 are 54 upon 7. Now let's discuss the another topic, that is the multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. So multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Let's take one example. 3 upon 7 multiply 2 upon 5. Here 3 upon 7 it's a fraction. 2 upon 5 also it's a fraction. So we have multiplied both the fractions. In that case, you have to multiply both the numerator and both the denominator. So 3 multiply 2 divide 7 multiply 5. 3 2s are 6, 7 5s are 35. Let's take another example. 4 by 5 multiply 12 by 7. So multiply both the numerator, 4 multiply 12, multiply both the denominator, 5 multiply 7. 4 multiply 12, 48, 5 multiply 7, 35. So 48 divide 35. Now let's take another example of the multiplication. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Start first one. 7 multiply 3 upon 5. Multiply 7 with 3. 7 multiply 3 upon 5. 7 3s are 21 upon 5. Now in that question, you have to convert it into mixed fraction. So divide 21 by 5. 5 4s are 20. Your remainder is 1. So here it's a 4. 1 upon 5, that is the mixed fraction. Let's take another example. 2 upon 3 multiply 4. So 2 multiply 4 divide 3. 2 4s are 8 upon 3. Again divided. 8 divide 3. 3 2s are 6. Remaining is 2. So answer is 2. 2 upon 3, that is the mixed fraction. Third one. 11 multiply 4 upon 7. So multiply 11 with 4. 11 multiply 4 upon 7 is equal to 44 upon 7. Now divide 44 by 7. 7 6 are 42. 2 it's the remaining. So your answer is 6. 2 upon 7. Fourth one. 13 multiply 1 upon 3. So multiply 13 with 1. 13 multiply 1 upon 3. 13 ones are 13. Divide 3. Now divide 13 by 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 is remaining. So your answer is 4. 1 upon 3, that is your mixed fraction. Let's take another example. Find A, 1/2 of first 24, second 46. Multiplication of fraction can be asked in this way also. In that case, you have to also do the multiplication. The first 1/2 multiply 24. 1/2 it's a fraction, 24 it's a whole number. 1 multiply 24 divide 2. So it's a 24 upon 2. 12 2s are 24. Second, 1/2 multiply 46. So 1 multiply 46 divide 2. It's a 46 upon 2. 23 2s are 46. Now B. 2 upon 3 of first 18, second 27. So first multiply 2 upon 3 with 18. So 2 multiply 18 divide 3. 3 6 are 18. So here it's a 2 multiply 6 is equal to 12. Now multiply 2 upon 3 with 27. So 2 multiply 27 divide 3. 3 9s are 27 is equal to 2 multiply 9 is equal to 18. Now let's take another example. Find A, 1/2 of first 2 3 upon 4. Second 4 2 upon 9. In that case, it is in the mixed fraction. So first you have to convert it into improper fraction. 1/2 multiply 2, 3 upon 4. So first convert this into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 3, it's 11 upon 4. So 1/2 multiply 11 upon 4. Now multiply the numerator. 1 multiply 11. Multiply the denominator. 2 4s are 8. It's 11 upon 8. Now divide 11 by 8. 8 1s are 8. Remainder is 3. So you can write it 1 3 upon 8. Now multiply 1/2 with 4 2 upon 9. So 1/2 multiply 4 2 upon 9. First convert this into improper fraction. 9 4s are 36 plus 2 is equal to 38 upon 9. So 1/2 multiply 38 upon 9. Now multiply the numerator. 1 multiply 38, it's a 38. 2 9s are 18. Now here 19 2s are 38, 9 2s are 18. So it's a 19 upon 9. Now divide 19 by 9. 9 2s are 18. Remainder is 1. So it's a 2 1 upon 9. Let's take another example. Find first 1 upon 4 of A 1 upon 4, B 3 upon 5, C 4 upon 3. Let's first take the A. So multiply this 1 upon 4 with 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 multiply 1 upon 4. Multiply the numerator. 1 multiply 1. Multiply the denominator. 4 multiply 4. 1 1s are 1. 4 4s are 16. So it's a 1 upon 16. Now let's take the B 3 upon 5. So multiply this 1 upon 4 with 3 upon 5. So 1 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 5. Multiply the numerator. 1 multiply 3. Multiply the denominator. 4 multiply 5. 1 3s are 3. 4 5s are 20. So it's a 3 upon 20. Now let's take the C 4 upon 3. So multiply this 1 upon 4 with 4 upon 3. 1 upon 4 multiply 4 upon 3. Multiply the numerator. 1 multiply 4. Multiply the denominator. 4 multiply 3. 1 4s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So it's a 4 upon 12. Now 4 3s are 12. So it's a 1 upon 3. Let's take another example. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. First one. 2 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 3. Here 2 upon 3 it's a mixed fraction. So first convert it into improper fraction. 2 by 3 multiply. Here 3 2s are 6 plus 2 it's a 8 upon 3. So 2 by 3 multiply 8 upon 3. Now multiply the numerator. 2 multiply 8. Multiply the denominator. 3 multiply 3. So here 2 8s are 16. 3 3s are 9. Now just divide 16 by 9. 9 1s are 9. Remainder is 7. So answer is 1 7 upon 9. Let's take another example. 2 upon 7 multiply 7 upon 9. Multiply the numerator. 2 multiply 7. Multiply the denominator. 7 multiply 9. Here 7 7 it will be cut. So answer is the 2 upon 9. Now let's solve one word problem. Lipika reads a book for 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Lipika reads a book for 3 by 4 hours every day. And she reads the entire book in 6 days. So you have to find out how many hours in all were required by her to read the book. So first let's take the time taken by Lipika to read a book is equal to 3 by 4 hours. She reads entire book in 6 days. Now total hours taken by her to read the entire book is equal to 3 by 4 multiply 6. It is in a mixed fraction. So first convert it into improper fraction. 4 1s are 4 plus 3. It's a 7 upon 4 multiply 6. Now 7 multiply 6 divide 4. 7 6 are 42 divide 4. We can write 42 as a 21 multiply 2 and 4 as a 2 multiply 2. 2 cut. So it's a 21 upon 2. Now just divide 21 upon 2. 2 tens are 20. Remainders is 1. So we can write it as a 10 1/2. Thus 10 1/2 hours were required by her to read the entire book.